My dad makes the best cheeseburger tacos.
Cheeseburger tacos. Let's see what this hype is all about. We're gonna hit this with some of my fajita seasoning that's coming soon to a bottle near you. We're gonna add our tortillas. You can do corn or flour. These are flour. Now for our cheese, we're using American cheese. Now to make your tacos. So we got our cheeseburger tacos, got the cheese. And now, gonna hit it with our lettuce. And our special sauce. And if you want to make your taco really taco-like, hit it with some salsa. This, my friend, is your cheeseburger taco.
Holy crap. Oh, it's just falling everywhere. Why are you still going?
This is so damn good. Mm-hmm.